Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is CID News Network, Islamabad. The news read by Zainab. President has conferred Imtiaz military on Chinese Defense Minister to recognition of the services strengthening Pak-China relation. Khalid Khurshid has been promoted in Gilgit-Baltistan Chief Minister in Gilgit today. Turkey has ordered attention of 82 military personnel in connection with PAL group in 2016. The country has reported more than 60 daily deaths for the first time since July. Saudi Arabia agreed to allow Israeli commercial planes en route to UAE to cross its airspace. Federal Cabinet meet in Islamabad today with Prime Minister in the chair to discuss the latest COVID-19 situation and steps being taken to check its spread. Take care and keep watching CID News Network, Islamabad. Allah Hafiz.